I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me.
We got an absolutely wild case today. A sovereign citizen gets completely shut down by this no-nonsense judge during a court hearing over driving without insurance. Honestly, you couldn't make this up. This woman behaves as if the law simply doesn't exist and insists it doesn't apply to her because she claims she isn't a citizen. This sovereign citizen, Karen, attempts to argue her position, but instead she just ends up embarrassing herself while the judge firmly puts her in her place. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's jump right in.
You state your name for the record, please.
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench, or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled, on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge.
Who does this Karen seriously think she is? She's trying to get the entire case thrown out by claiming she's a foreign alien and that the laws don't apply to her. What does that even make any sense? I mean, if you're driving on public roads, you're automatically agreeing to follow the law. Plain and simple. And that includes having insurance. It's called implied consent, and no amount of made-up legal arguments is going to change that. What do you all think? Should we get rid of sovereign citizens altogether? Or do they actually have a point here? Let's jump back in.
Argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate. Or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a capias.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. John Vier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can.
Things are about to get a lot more intense than the previous hearing. This Karen starts completely losing it, and the judge breaks down her arguments one by one. I honestly don't understand how this woman thinks it's such a burden to buy insurance for her car. It's not some hidden government conspiracy. It's literally meant to protect people on the road. The judge is about to lay out some hard facts, and she's about to get extremely heated. This Karen just keeps digging herself into an even deeper hole. Let me know what you all think in the comments, but let's go ahead and jump into the next hearing and see how everything plays out.
Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm
I'm
a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, Jean-Pierre Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I cannot handle this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not Jean-Pierre Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, man?
I'm attorney in fact.
Attorney of fact. I swear, every time a sovereign citizen says this, it makes absolutely no sense. They toss it around like it's some kind of magic phrase that's going to win their case, but that's just not how the legal system works. If this woman truly wants to speak for herself or act as some sort of entity in court without using a name, she needs a P number, an actual attorney's license. You can't just invent your own rules inside a courtroom. Man, these sovereign citizens are seriously out of touch.
You to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams. Are you present, ma'am? Jean-Pierre Williams, are you present twice? Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of Jean-Pierre Williams, the agent.
Okay. So Jean-Pierre Williams is not present.
Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court.
Let me know which side you're on in this court hearing, the sovereign citizen side or the side of common sense. Personally, I really like how this judge handled the situation. She remained calm, made the law clear, and didn't let any of this nonsense slide, which is exactly how it should be. Sometimes you see judges who sort of give in as sovereign citizens, and I honestly don't think that's very helpful. It's usually better to ignore them and move things along by getting them out of the courtroom. But what do you all think? Do you believe the judge handled it perfectly? Or do you think she should have brought the hammer down a bit harder? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you all so much for watching, and take care.